What are if-else statements?
If-else statements are a fundamental part of coding that let your program make decisions. They evaluate a condition, such as whether a number is bigger than another, and then choose what actions to perform next. This ability to make choices is what allows software to respond differently in different situations.
How basic if-else works?
Imagine your code as asking a simple question. If a condition is true, do one thing, else do something different. For example, if the weather is sunny, you might print go outside, else you print stay indoors. This structure lets code act logically, just like real-life decision-making.
A simple text example.
Here's a basic example in code. If score is greater than 60, print you pass. Else, print try again. This checks if score is above 60. If it is, the message says you pass. Otherwise, it encourages you to try again. That's the power of if-else.
Why if-else is so useful?
If-else statements help programs react and adapt. They're essential for everything from checking passwords, responding to user input, processing data, or playing a game. By combining multiple if-else statements, you can create complex conditional logic that makes software smart and interactive.
Tips for writing clear if-else code.
Keep conditions simple and easy to read. Use clear variable names and structure your if-else blocks so that anyone reading your code understands your decisions at a glance. Testing different values helps ensure your logic works as intended. Good if-else statements make your programs reliable and easy to maintain.